If Facebook have deleted your page, you need to follow these tips to try and get it reinstated.
So if you wake up one morning with this pop-up notification from Facebook saying, we suspended your page, don't go into full panic mode, because I was able to recover mine, and I'll show you the steps here on how I did it. Sometimes you might get this particular version saying, we suspended your page. I got both of them. I also got this one that said your page has been unpublished. So I thought, oh no, not only suspended, they've deleted my page. But rest assured, as long as you haven't fully, I suppose, broken all the rules, it is possible to recover your Facebook page like I did. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to like my page. So let me show you the steps that I did take. I clicked on this blue button where it said continue down the bottom, and then Facebook gave me some information on why this happened. They said, we've suspended your page because it looks like some of your activity doesn't follow the rules. And then they gave me some very basic, cut and paste information, which didn't really mean too much to me. They also then showed me this one, how we made our decision. It said, in this instance, it said our technology found that your page doesn't follow our community standards. Now, my page had been going for 5, 6, 7 years. I don't know why or what I had done or hadn't done, but it all seemed real strange. What this means for you, well, basically I was stuffed, I suppose, because, they'd suspended and deleted my page and restricted me as an admin, that type of thing. By this stage, I was starting to panic a bit because, for my business in the world of social media, I'm fully reliant on having access to all of my social media pages. This was the first inkling, though, that I got, well, maybe, they're being a little bit unkind to me, impersonation. So I thought, well, maybe they're confusing my Facebook page, Mark Warnken, New Era Social Media, with my Facebook profile. My Facebook profile is my name, Mark Warnken, but my Facebook page, I've combined my name and, the business name as well. So I thought, well, maybe that's what they're getting confused from. So what I did do, though, I requested a review by clicking the blue button, and then you could click on some of these options. Too harsh, the page doesn't break the rules, page like mine should be allowed. I ticked this one, you misunderstood my page. So from that, they then said, all right, you'll hear back from us, your page is in review. We will have a look at it, that type of thing. So I started to get a little bit of hope. They then sent me this one as well. You'll hear back from us soon. Thanks for requesting a review. Click done. And so by this stage, there was not much more I could have done. This was all over the course of, half an hour or so. So throughout the whole day, I just had to wait and wait. And then I did get a huge sigh of relief. About 12, 15 hours later, they said, Mark, we've restored your page. You can see the page name there. That's my old page where it says Social Media Selling 123. I've now got my new rebranded page showing. And they said, we found our technology made a mistake suspending our page. So in this instance, it looks like it was just, purely the technology or overzealous AI saying, hey, we don't like the name of Mark's page. This is just a snapshot. The orange one was one of the first notification. We suspended your page. Then this blue one, we removed your page totally because it doesn't follow our community standards. And then the green tick, they said they restored my page. And this was one of the final notifications I got. It said page republished. So it was a good win for me. What I want you to do is go to the comment section below. I'd love to find out from yourself whether you've had your page suspended or deleted. Now, in my instance, it was literally just their AI was, or their robots. Their bots was just overly, zealous in suspending my page. So as long as you haven't broken the rules, you should get a good result like I have. I do get contacted quite often, though, by other Facebook business page owners who've maybe broken the rules, they've posted or whatever, and they haven't been able to recover their page. And in the world of social media, our businesses, our pages, our channels, our profiles, whatever it may be across any of the socials, they can be turned off like clicking your fingers, and all could be lost. So go to the comment section below. I'd love to hear the feedback. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. If you're watching this on my Facebook page, don't forget to like and follow me here on Facebook. Or if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Hit the notification so you get updated each and every time I upload one of my videos.